So this is one property, but it has three different fiberglass scenarios happening all at the same time. And that's actually what makes this job worth breaking down. So let's get into it. We have the first deck. It's a roof deck sitting directly above a living space. So this one is a full reglass. The existing system had reached the end of its service life, so it needed to be reset. The railings came down, the drip edge was replaced, and the new fiberglass was put over the field. And the reason for this fiberglass on this deck is fairly simple. There's a living space directly underneath it, and it has to be completely sealed. And what this means for this project is we're simply reinforcing this system that was already doing its job. Now, on the second deck, this one also is a reglass, but the situation is different. There's a new addition being built onto this house, and that addition shares this deck. So it's not just a straight reglass. The transition point where the new addition meets the existing deck structure has to be tied in and waterproofed correctly. So third deck, this was on the addition itself. When we got there, there was only a frame structure and there was really nothing on it yet. So this needed a full install from scratch. That means plywood substrate down, post rounded and wrapped, drip edge set, fiberglass over the field. Three different scenarios: reglass on the occupied roof deck, reglass with a new addition tie-in, and then the brand new install on the new construction. Same product handling all three scenarios.